Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see Hack with Infy round 1 question. The question is Rom has n dishes of different types arranged in a row A1, A2 up to AN, where AI denotes the type of dish, height the dish. He wants to choose as many dishes as possible for the given list, but while satisfying two conditions, he can choose only one type of dish. No two chosen dishes should be adjacent to each other. Ramu wants to know which type of dish he should choose from so that he can pick the maximum number of dishes. For example, they are given like n equal to 9 and a equal to, they are given array of values. Here type 1 is chosen as 4 dishes and the type 2 is two dishes, because here when we conclude this condition, when we consider this condition, one type of dishes must be chosen and no two chosen dishes must be adjacent to each other. Then we consider this condition, only 4 is possible in type 1 and the 2 is possible in type 2. So this case Ramu should go for type 1. This is the possible answer here. Next, we are going to see the input format for that. They are given the constraints for range of test cases and the number of values and array values. Here 3 is a test case and 5 is a first test case value. Here they are given the array of values 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Here we can choose A1 and A4 so that the type 1 will be the answer. If I'm choosing A2 and A5, then itself the type 2 will be answer. Type 1 and type 2 both are equal, so type 1 is chosen here. The first best value is chosen. Next, if you are considering 6, here 6 values are ones, but if I am considering not adjacent values, then A1 will be chosen, A3, then A5, then 3 value can be chosen, then type 1 will be the answer. When we consider this one here, 2 can be chosen more than others. So the answer is type 2. For this, we are going to do the Python program. Here in the first line, we are going to get the number of test cases as a integer. After that, we are loop through the number of test cases. We are going to get the n value, number of values in the arrays. After that, we are just going to get the item list from the user, which is n values. We are just declaring I equal to 0 and max equal to 0. Item type, the first value, that iteration starts from 0th index. So in the first value itself, it starts the iteration. Here just we are considering the maximum type of dishes and we have to found that. So I is less than n. We can only loop through at most n values. So the maximum range is n here. Here c equal to 1, we are just doing the count variable. After that, we are declaring j equal to I plus 1. Then that means we are comparing the ith value and jth value. Both are equal. Then we have to skip that and go to next one like that. So here we are checking that the ith value and jth value are equal and j value and I plus 1 value not equal. Then we have to increment the c value. Otherwise, j is less than n minus 1 and item list of j equal to j plus 1. Then we have to increment the j value. Here, if it reaches the max is less than c, then max equal to c. Here we can see that here int max, here it mentions as 3. It will be assigned to max item type equal to item list of I. Item list of I, that means the current ith position value is added to the item type. That means that is a item type. We can choose that when compared to others, the maximum dishes I can choose that. So when this loop is over, that means this condition is not satisfied, then it come out of the loop and print what is there in item type, that will printed. After that, it will go back to the for loop. Go back to the for loop for next iteration. Next iteration, we are having different test cases. Based on the number of test cases, this for loop will execute. Here we can see that number of test cases are given 2, and first test case value is 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5 are given. 2 is maximum dish, so the answer is 2. After that, if I am giving 5, here the number of ones is 5 given. Here I can choose maximum 3, 1. So the answer is 1. If I am running that, I will show you with the test case given in the question. They are given 3 as a test case. 3 as a test case. After that, they are given the 5 as a first test case, and they are given 1, 2, 1, 2. The answer will be 1 because type 1 is the answer. Then in the second test case, they are given 6. 6 times 1. 6 is given, and then 6 times 1. The type 1 will be the answer. Then they are given 8, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. 8, 1, 8, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. The type is 2 as written. This is the answer for the question. If you understand the question correctly, then itself half of the question will be solved, problem will be solved. This is the answer for this question. I used the Python 3 and solved it. This is a Google Colab. I used the compiler Google Colab notebook. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.